At Basile, we're not just pouring concrete, we're building with experience, precision, and strength. I'm Danny Valladares, and we are here in Carlstadt, New Jersey, working on a 16-phase job, replacing outdoor concrete dog paths, all while the warehouse stays fully operational. Phase 1, demolition. We kick things off by saw cutting and breaking up the existing concrete, using jackhammers and excavator. Once it's all up, our crew clears the debris and gets the site ready for the next step. Phase 2, reinforcement and formwork. This is where things get technical. We lay out the elevations and forms to make sure everything drains properly and stays strong. Then we install a double rebar mat to keep the slab strong and crack resistant. Phase 3, the pour. Each section is about 750 square feet. Using nearly 20 yards of concrete, our 6-man crew works quickly and cleanly, placing every inch with care. Then comes the finish, done by hand, for a clean, durable surface that's built to last. At Basile, we don't cut corners. We deliver quality you can count on. Need a team that gets it done right? Give us a call.